Now that we have a completed drawing, we're going to open the bill of materials. This is found under the Scaffold tab. Once opened, you'll be able to see all the materials required to build the scaffold in our model. To resize the dialog, grab the corner and drag. You can see all the materials in here. The first column is a part number, followed by a description, then the quantity, and even the ability to modify the number of parts. So if we want to add another 8-foot tube, we simply type it in. That will then change the total quantity, which will also update the total weight. Further down, you will see there's a warning regarding materials missing or substituted. For more information regarding this, we can look at the View Missing Materials warning at the top of the screen. As we can see, the missing materials are steel toe boards that have automatically been replaced with wooden ones. To the left of this, we have the option to combine duplicate materials into one row. We also have the ability to open the bill of materials directly into Quantify, which will then create an estimate. Or we can save the bill of materials as a file that can be imported into a Quantify estimate. Remember, you will need to have identical part numbers set within your product catalog within Quantify. The next feature allows you to add extra materials from Material Master to your bill of materials. First, select the part and then use the Add button to add it to your bill of materials. We also have the option to delete a part. This is especially useful if you want to remove any warnings from the bill of materials. We can do this by selecting the warning and then hit Delete Part. Finally, there's an option to remove any custom parts that have been added. We have the option to generate a print preview. Within here, we can print directly to a printer, export to a PDF, Word document, Excel file, comma separator file, and an image file. We also have the same options that enables us to automatically send the bill of materials in an email. Along with printing, we could also copy to a clipboard and then paste this into our drawing. We do this by right-clicking in the drawing area and then using the paste option. This can also then be resized. The last feature we need to explore is the Scaffold Units tab. Pick on this, and within here we can see the surface area, cubic area, and many of the parameters that can be used and customized. For example, we can use this to calculate the labour charges for the erection of scaffold.